Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Haggett Hill. Got my rock bucket on there this afternoon. In this area where I'm at right now is where I mulched up between us and the neighbor's house. You can see down through here I've got some pretty good sized rocks. So I'm going to try to pick up these rocks and put them in a pile. All up in through here there's a bunch of smaller rocks. I'm going to try to get those piled up so when I bush hog in here in the future, then I won't be running over these rocks. So let's watch along and see how this rock bucket works on picking up these things. Some of them might be a little bit big. The grapple might work better, but we're going to give it a try, see what happens. So here's what I learned after that first rock. Those big rocks like that are going to be much better suited to picking up with the grapple. I've got a bunch of rocks this size on down in there, so I think I'll just skim the bucket along the ground and pick those up. So watch along and we'll see how this works out. But definitely, the bigger rocks, the grapple would be much better. Well, that sort of worked. The more I worked at it, the better I got at trying to scoop them up. I need to get out here and clean up some more, but just wanted to give you a little look at what the rock bucket's like. What would really help it out is if I got out here with my rock rake and my tractor and kind of windrowed them up and then scooped them up. But some of these bigger ones, I'll get picked up with the grapple. I think it'd be much better. But hey, we know the rock bucket works. I just got to learn how to use it. I've had this thing for about 30 hours now, and I've done quite a bit with it, but mainly mulching, using the forks, using the bush hog. I haven't done a lot of bucket work with it yet, but I'm learning. So thanks for stopping by here on Haggett Hill and watching this other little project. Hey, the Lord sent us some beautiful fall weather, so get out and enjoy it. And as always, God bless you and your family.